Is Pep Guardiola on verge to end of his career? Is Son going to leave Spurs? La Liga is thinking to implement new VAR rules. And transfer news roundup. We'll discuss in this video. Welcome back to Defective TV. Chalo, let's go. So the first news is coming from Premier League. Pep Guardiola can leave Man City at end of his contract. देखो, in terms of trophies, he won everything at Man City. Whether if we talk about Premier League, whether if we talk about Carabao Cup, FA Cup, and even Champions League. But now, according to reports, he said, "I am going to stop." Bhai, ये end of era है. Just like Jurgen Klopp when he said he's running out of energy. And Pep also said he's mentally drained now. One of his friends said that he has 3 phases: intense, absent and depressed. And हमने उसको बहुत ही बार देखा हुआ है. He always hurt himself whenever he lose the match or out of control. हमने उसको बहुत ही बार scratch करते हुए देखा है, literally on his head. And now he wants to take care of himself. देखो, मुझे लगता है he will of course leave City at end of his contract, but he can choose a director role or a national team role whenever he is free, whenever he feel comfortable, whenever he wants to come in this game back. So आप मुझे बताइए, आपको क्या लगता है Pep क्या करेंगे? Will he choose a national team or will he choose a director kind of role? Comments me down below. The next news is good news for Tottenham fans that Son might stays for 1 more year at Spurs only. देखो, उनकी लिटरली डील कैंसिल हुई है विद नॉटिंघम फॉरेस्ट फॉर मॉर्गन्स गिव वाइट. फब्रिज़ो रोमानो का हियर वी गो भी आ चुका था, but for some reason it got cancelled. And now Thomas Frank will find a replacement. And Son से better कौन होगा? उसकी डील ऑलरेडी होने वाली थी with LAFC, but I think they will make him stop for 1 more season and उसको खिला के रखेंगे till the end of his contract. आप लोग को क्या लगता है कि Son जाएंगे या नहीं, या they will find a replacement for Son as well, like Garnacho? They were interested in Garnacho. So let's see what happens. Please comment me down below whatever you think. The third news is literally crazy. La Liga is considering a review system in VAR for managers. मतलब अगर VAR गलती करता है तो manager can ask for review for 2 times. It's just a system as DRS which is in cricket. मुझे लगता है it will be a very controversial. Imagine Real Madrid versus Barcelona, El Clasico, controversial match हो रही है एंड वो लोग रिव्यू पे रिव्यू मांग रहे हैं, लाइक 2 reviews फॉर ईच ऑफ कोर्स. बट अगर उनका रिव्यू सही जाता है देन द रिव्यू विल स्टे विद देम. सो it's a really interesting rule. Let's see how it works in football. We have never seen this one. आप लोग को क्या लगता है कि ये रूल आना चाहिए एंड ओनली फॉर ला लीगा फॉर दिस मोमेंट और सारे लीग्स विच एवर हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड? Please comment me down below. Now let's go to transfer news that you might have missed up. Fran Garcia has declined offer of AC Milan and he decided to stay at Real Madrid. Joao Felix land in Saudi and trained with Ronaldo. अभी तक official नहीं हुआ है, but he still trained with Ronaldo at Al Nassr campaign. PSG agreed deal with Lucas Chevalier, a 40 million rated goalkeeper. He's a replacement of Donnarumma according to the reports. And we might see Donnarumma going to somewhere else. Liverpool is very much interested in Isak again and they will go full guns loaded for him again. And because of that, as I earlier reported, कि Sesko की battle होगी for Newcastle and Manchester United. So let's see Sesko is going to Newcastle or Manchester, which will be really interesting for this season. Lastly but not least, Jadon Sancho can come back to Borussia Dortmund again. उनको पता है कि उसकी प्राइस 18 million to 20 million होगी, but उसके wages still बहुत high है. And that's why Dortmund is not considering Jadon Sancho at the moment. But अगर Jadon Sancho उसकी salary cut करते, then we might see Sancho coming back to yellow and black jersey again. Now let's end up this video with a great debate and the topic is Jadon Sancho. मुझे लगता है कि he will not go to Dortmund because Dortmund उसकी हाई सैलरी कभी पे नहीं करेंगे एंड Jadon Sancho is very stubborn, वो उसकी सैलरी रिड्यूस नहीं करेंगे. आपको क्या लगता है कि वो Dortmund जाएंगे या वो कहीं और जाएंगे? प्लीज कमेंट्स मी डाउन बिलो एंड इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज गिव मी अ लाइक and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.